Hi, it's Debbie with D.Ann's Designs. Come on here. I wanted to real quick show you. I was in a dilemma. Couldn't find the proper napkin holder rings that I was wanting. I had some. I cleared out my dining room, I don't know, a few months ago. Of course, that went with it. I just figured, well, I can find some more if I need them. Well, you can't. Anyway, no, I mean, I'm sure they're out there somewhere, but not where I was at. So what I've done, and I wanted to show you real quick, this is what I decided to do with it, was I had a empty wrapping paper roll, and I've taken and I've cut them down and to the size that I wanted them to be. You can come down to the size you want them to be. And then I've taken two coats of gesso, white gesso onto it, and I'm using this bling on a roll, and which you can buy in Walmart. It's probably a couple of dollars. And this is little red cloches, and I have some silver and gold. My colors downstairs are going to be, Christmas is done in a red and white, green and gold type of theme. It's rather a traditional, I suppose, type of colors that have gone on here. And I just wanted to find something in the traditional that I could use to put my napkins into, as they are a red napkin. So, that being explained, here's what I've come up with. These here are what I've cut. This is what it looks like. You cut them. You're going to just have pieces. You can either cut these with your scissors, or you can cut them with your paper cutter, whatever you want to do. Just This is how I did it. And these are paper cutters on these. So I put two coats, like I said, of gesso on here on the trim, and then I've taken my bling trim and I've wrapped it around the top. I've wrapped it around the bottom, and then I came back and I put these bells onto here and a little greenery. So that's what we're going to do right now, so you can kind of see how I did this. So I'm going to start with my bling and try to get some of that out for you. This is bling on a roll. There's 3 yards of it. It's $2. Also, Dollar Tree will sell a gold bling, but it's in a sheet. And I really didn't want to mess with the sheet at this point. I just wanted to do, let me put some more glue in there. Just do a little bit on the roll, like we've done here. Here we go. Try and get that in there. So I'm going to start off. I put the bling onto here with a little hot glue. And you want to get it lined up on your edge. This is how I'm doing mine anyway. And these are the colors that I need to use. You use whatever you use. So, pop this in here like this. There we go. Wrap it around here. I'm going to go up here to the beginning. There we go. Yes, I just used my chin to stick my glue in further. There we go. Okay, find the end. Get up here and such. I'm going to cut this off a bit. And we have the one on there. Okay. All right. Come back and do your bottom the same way that you did your top. Start it into your beginning and line it up. So keep it right around the edge. There you go. And we're going to take this. Some more out there. I've got 8 of them to do, so I thought while I was doing them, I thought, well, I'll just share this little time with you and put it together. We've got 10 days till Christmas Eve. That's when my family and I celebrate Christmas Eve. And we celebrate Christmas on Christmas Eve. And that way the kids have other places they have to be too, and I get that. We were there once upon a time too. So we want to kind of just clear the way for them so they can go spend their time with the other families and have a good time, I hope. Okay, so now we got our bling on in here, and This I've cut off. This is 97 cents. This is at Walmart, and it's boxwood. The holiday boxwood, it will have the glittering onto there, which is really, really, really pretty. But that's all I have left of my holiday one. And of course, they have no more of the holiday one, which is fine. It's not a big deal. I just want to have a little greenery. So I've taken this, and we're going to push this right about into here. Try to get it to firm itself right into here. Go. And then I'm going to bring this across. It's kind of at an angle for me because I like angles better than I like, you know, I'm not a big straight line person, that's all. And I'm going to take and put a little hot glue into there and just bring it over at an angle over here. Clean this glue as you go. If you get any out here, I will, I can promise you that. But, you know, some of you don't. That's great. Okay. So yeah, we've got 10 days, and I didn't have any napkin rings. Oh, okay. So I'd gotten rid of mine, and voila, I'm going to put the gold on here. Let's see what the gold does for me. Here at the top of the greenery, place a gold jingle bell. It doesn't, yeah, there it is. Does it not jingle? Yeah, I get it. There it goes. Which makes it a clutch if it doesn't. So, this one jingles. A little red one. Okay. And then we're going to put another little red one back there. Right in there. So now, we'll have our little bells put together here. Like so. Sure. You might want a little more attention. I'll give that to you. And then we have our greenery right off into here. I've let my greenery just kind of sleep up along the side up to the top in here. So then the napkin can come in through here, and we should be just fine. And that's just how these little napkin holders are going to look. So I wanted to share this with you. That's another quick, simple, easy project. Let me bring it out here. You might be able to see it better. It does not cost a lot of money. It's actually quite a bit on the cheap. And, hey, you know, that's good. So we can put our napkins through the ring, place them on the table as you see fit. Voila, you have it. It doesn't cost you much. So anyway, just want to get on here real fast, do a simple one. And I don't know if I'm going to see you or not up about Christmas time the next 10 days or not, because I am really getting pretty busy. But we're about to close this thing up and go ahead and celebrate some Christmas. And I really wish everyone a very Merry Christmas and extremely look forward to a great new year. So, hey, I'll just talk to you guys later on. Happy crafting. Merry Christmas.